Hey, we're Sasquatching. We're Sasquatching Saskatchewan. Isn't that funny? We're gonna go down this trail. You see that? Just hold on a bit. I'll show you a little bit more. We're gonna go that away, or that straight ahead. So that's the one we just looked at. I walked ahead. Now there's this one, an old break. And there's one there. I'm heading there. So that's the area of all the breaks that I just showed you. That was from inside. I'm now standing on the edge of a clearing. Let's see, we have this. And we got that. See that? Wait for it. See that? You see that? You see these sticks in a line? You see them all broke like that all the way? See those two breaks? I'm gonna head in there. So here I am at that break. And just a barely noticeable path going in there. There's some more breaks. See them? Let's go check it out. So here's the path. See the trees? See the woods? This is nice in here though. This is beautiful. Something real big was laying here. I don't know if you can see that. It's flattened out there. See that? Can you see that? Interesting.